Hello guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. In today's video we're going to see a new company called Westrock, and they have huge openings as you can see here, for multiple openings in operation, maintenance, sales, supply chain and many more. If you are interested, stay tuned. I'm going to walk you out two job posts, and one in this video and another one in this coming video. And this company is worldwide company. They are top MNC company. In this profile they have huge openings. If you are interested, stay tuned. For latest update, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. In our channel I do upload tons of new videos regarding immigration process, job post and new latest update about immigration for countries like Canada, UK, Australia, to save your valuable money. And but don't forget to please share, like and comments me below, to love to hear from you. And now I'm going to have a new announcement for our viewers. Finally, now we are stepping into a social media Instagram platform. Please follow that too for latest update. I will be updating in that too, and we'll have a interaction each other and share our thoughts with the people, and in order to help them, and the link is in the description box below. Okay, now we'll see the job title. This is the job title for general labor, Etobicoke on Ontario. So you can start applying by this site by signing in. You need to give some data, and if you are living in Ontario you can start applying, or planning to immigrate in a few days, you can start applying right away. Okay, now we'll see what is the location and so on. And this is Etobicoke on Ontario. This is the number of that particular location and the address which is given here. You can have a walkthrough, and I have given this link in the description box below. And now we'll see an overview of this opportunity. Most importantly, you can see this session while applying. You just have a glance before applying, and most importantly I want to say is, read this. To be considered for this position you must be able to work rotation shift Monday to Friday. So the timing is 6:45 a.m. to 2:45 p.m. afternoon, 2:45 p.m. to 10:45 p.m. and night is 10:45 p.m. to 6:40 p.m. This is a rotational shift rotate weekly. So this is a rotational shift, and all the applicant must be able to provide a satisfactory criminal background check and pre-employment medicals. Okay, so why work with Westrock? This is a job description. As you can see this, the first one is the starting wages of this role is 17.19 per hour. It might be okay for this shift. Premiums for afternoon 50, and night shift 0.70 cents will be added, I hope so. Okay, wages increase after 60 days probationary period and as per the collective agreement. That's great. And training opportunity to be work on different machines, and then benefits after your probationary period has been completed. Pension after 6 months of employment, free parking, subsidized hot lunch cafeteria, celebration lunch for success reached in the plant, an employee dedicated to health and safety, and then a carrier with a global packaging company where sustainability, safety and inclusive are all business drivers and foundational elements of the daily work. And then at last, a management team committed to Westrock's value of respect, accountability, integrity and excellence. Why you need to work at Westrock's? What you need? This is the eligibility criteria. What are the requirements you required for this role? You need to have a high school diploma. Listen very carefully guys, you need to have a high school diploma. That's not a big vast education background they require, just basic computer skills you need, and math skills, tape measurement skills and ability to read production layouts. Yeah, and then experience working in fast-paced manufacturing environment. And then mechanical aptitude and physically capable of repetitive work, standing, lifting up to 50 laps, and excellent communication and interpersonal skills. Ability to work weekly rotating shifts. That's great. So these are the things they required for, and you can apply by clicking this button. You need to have a sign in with your email address, and this is the career portal. Okay, I have given this link in the description box below. If you require more videos, please consider subscribing to this channel. Before that, you need to give a thumbs up if this job post is useful for you. Please share this video to your friends and in your social media, the people who are waiting for their job. And you need to comment me below if it is informative and if you have any queries. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos are lined up. Thank you. Thanks for watching.